A bright spot for the commercial real estate industry is the growth in data center spending. It's helping offset headwinds from things like rising construction costs. Joining us right now is Christian Ulbrich. He is CEO of JLL. That's a global commercial real estate firm. And Christian, thank you very much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
Let's talk a little bit about this, because real estate has been a difficult business for some. The S&P Real Estate Index over the last year is flat, but your stock has been up 29% over that time. What are you doing differently? What are you involved in that others aren't?
Well, we are a service provider, and we are servicing the largest corporates in the U.S., and most of them have been incredibly successful. And with their success, we are able to grow and grow market share.
What's very interesting is that you do play a big role in the data center space. I think you have more than 340 data centers that you manage around the globe, but you don't build them, you don't own them. Explain how your model works.
Well, we manage them. We do the facility management of those data centers, and we help to project management when they are being constructed, and we help to design them. But you're right, we don't own them. We help to raise the capital for them, but capital is not the constraint. As you know, the constraint around data center is power.
Yeah. Where are you building these days? Where does it look like a good place? Because there's also some local communities that are pushing back and saying, we don't want data centers in our backyard.
Yeah, I mean, you need land, you need power, and you need water. Those are the three big topics. And so you literally have to look where you can get that without those constraints that the neighborhood is getting very upset. So you will see also data centers now moving into geographies where you have that a little bit easier, where the legal environment allows you to push it through quite easily, so in the Middle East and other places.
Where in the United States?
Well, I think there is a whole load of people looking for where is enough power available, where you can actually get access to power. And so that could be a given up industrial site or any other locations where you have real strong access to power, because it will still take a while until we can build enough new power plants to deal with that challenge.
I realize that most of your portfolio is commercial, but you do have some residential real estate as well. We were just talking with David Solomon about what's happening, what the president is saying, just in terms of what big companies can do, publicly traded companies can do in terms of buying houses. Will that have any impact on what you do?
I don't think so. When you look at what institutional investors did in the single family rental, I think, if I'm right, it was about 1.2% last year what they accounted for in new buys, and they own roughly about 3%. I don't think it will have a meaningful impact on the market, and it certainly will not have a meaningful impact on our business.
What about the question of affordability? That's something everybody is trying to resolve. You've made some comments on it in terms of what Mamdani has proposed in New York City as well, the new mayor there. What is the right way to get at the question of affordability for housing?
Well, first and foremost, this is an issue all around the world. This is not a U.S. issue. We have the trouble that the kind of the lower end of the society is increasingly struggling to pay the rent or to get into the housing market. There is no easy answer to it. You can try to kind of provide more cheap land, but the construction costs have gone up really high. And then very often the issue is that they don't have enough equity to just start off and get some debt because they can't deliver the equity piece. And that's where government can step in and help on the equity side with guarantees.